All right, good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, June 2nd at 9:07 a.m. Let's get started. So we're on the MNQ, checking forex factory for the second. It's just an orange folder show, so we should be okay here. Going back to the charts, we're at the second daily time frame we're going to start with, and I didn't get to mark out anything really. I think it was yesterday. So let's see. Yesterday's high and low are both still untouched, so both of those can be marked out. So here's the high, and here's the low. Okay, so it looks like we're in a bullish trend. Higher highs, higher lows. Dropping down to the 4-hour, we want to see if we can see any internal key levels. We have one here, but we already have that marked out. One here already marked out. Yeah, it looks like these are already marked out. So dropping down to the 1-hour time frame. So this, okay, I'm going to delete some of these old entries first. Okay, so this Asia low was already marked. Asia high taken out. London low already marked. London high taken out. Again, Asia highs and lows. London low was already marked / New York low. The high for London was taken out. New York was already marked out and is still valid. Here is today's Asia low that can be marked out. Right here. Asia high was already taken out today. London low / New York low is right here with this candle. So I can mark that out. And London high is right there as well. Okay, so we have our levels marked out. I don't see any internal key levels. So we're gonna drop right to our 5-minute to mark out some potential entries for today. So off of our bearish fair value gaps, we would look to take longs. So that's 13 take profit and 15 stop loss. So we have a potential entry right there. Let's see if we can mark out any others. Up here we have one, and we can probably target this high. So now for the bullish fair value gaps, we would look to take shorts. So this one is too close. You see it falls into this fair value gap, which we do not want. This one, same thing. So all of these are the same thing. We cannot enter. We cannot set our potential entries there. We would have to wait all the way down here to put something that we can possibly enter at. So right now we have one short, potential short, and 2 potential longs. Let me just look at this again to make sure that I put in the right level. Yeah, there's 2, not enough room. All right, so move this back to where it was. Okay. All right, so not too many entries right now, but again, as the market opens and new candles are formed, sometimes new fair value gaps form as well, and then we can possibly set an entry there. So you see today I'm being, very aggressive. I'm going in for 10 contracts. So fingers crossed that plays out well for us. My current account balance is $51,870. And I know yesterday, I think I ended with, when I stopped the video, I ended with like 51,009 something. But then I got kind of, I don't even know what the word is, but I got kind of crazy, I guess you could say, and decided to enter again. But it was just so many few contracts. I just wanted to see what would happen. I lost, but it was only like $40, so it wasn't anything crazy. Again, so yeah, so I'm trying to get to 52,500. So I have about $630 to make before I can pass evaluation. The never-ending evaluation, like, this is crazy how long it's been taking. I've never imagined. It's almost been 2 months. Almost 2 months. It's only supposed to take 3 days, and it's been 2 months already. I don't know, but I'm just gonna keep pushing, and we'll see what happens. So it's 9:12. The market opens at 9:30, and we'll hopefully get an entry that we can take a trade from. Okay, so we were able to get in a trade right now. We're just letting it play out, and okay, unfortunately, it got stopped out. So, you know, I went in for the 10 contracts that time, so I think I lost like 300 maybe. I'm down to 51,596. Yeah, I lost 274 with that trade. So, okay, so we'll just go on and see if we get another entry later on today that we can possibly take. Out before. So I was talking to my son and trying to figure out, like, why does that always happen to me? So what he explained was that more than likely, so it was this long green candle where I got stopped out. So he was saying whenever the candles before like leave such a big gap like this, so you see how this is the candle I entered on, right, and got stopped out down here. He was like, usually whenever there's such a big fair value gap prior to my entry, price will usually want to go back to that fair value gap to draw liquidity before going back up. And that's literally what happened. So price went back down, took whatever it needs to take, and then followed through and then went to where I originally set my take profit. So yeah, something I just learned. Okay, so I was able to get another entry when this fair value gap inversed. Great, and it stopped me out again. So I just lost again. So my new balance is 51,389. So in total today I lost $481. Yep, that happened. Okay, tomorrow's a new day.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.